Hello friends, this is Hyro Tech Support. Let's see, so I'm gonna replace a fan. This is the source and the target is pretty much the same model PC, but not much difference. It's a Dell Optiplex 9020. This so I want this one, that one over there, to work well. It's not working well because the fan may be messed up. It's the CPU fan, but it's not on top of the CPU. It's interesting, but so what's happening is that, if I understand correctly, is that maybe the fan's not working well. So when the CPU sends it information to go at a certain speed,